Okay, so I've come to Fish and Co, which is like a really popular joint here. This is like Fish and Co. And look at this really cute like little flag they put in my lemon, but it's super cute. I ordered the Singaporean chili crab sauce fish, and these are the fries, and this is the plate. It's really cute. It's super cute, and I'm gonna eat this. Bye. Hello, it's a new day and I'm at Clark Quay today, and look at this place. It is so pretty. I did somewhere. Oh, they should have made like benches. And I want to have water. See, Clark Quay is written there, and this bridge overlooks the Singapore River. Yay! So it's like I just arrived at Clark Quay. It's been like a slow day. Oh my god, this is too high for. Okay, maybe I should. Yeah, do you see the river? It's like this is a river. Little peekaboo. I'll show you a better angle. These are these cutely pastel painted like buildings which have like normal shops. And the evening cruise happens on the Singapore River cruise, which I had seen on the internet. I actually want to pee now, so I need to find a washroom, a good one. I went to a mall that is like right outside the MRT station. But oh yeah, see, this is a great view of the river. Bam. Nice, right? So these are like the boats on which the dinner cruises go. There are like these tables also, which I'm guessing is for like dinner. Because there are dinner river cruises also. This is like a seafood riverside joint. And look at this. Nice, it's almost like the old Disney. Oh my gosh, I really want to go to Universal again. I'm just in love with it. Huh. Feel like I should take a class. La 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 la. I need to find a washroom. What is wrong? So that mall was so stupid. Like it did have, like it had a washroom, one washroom, and then I walked up to it and it was under maintenance. I was like, what? Like it made me like go around. What is this? Link Bridge office restrooms. Okay, let's go there. Bye. Just here walking along the Singapore River. I'm pretty sure these light up at night. I'll take a video of it. So I'm meeting Pratibha today for dinner. Okay, now I'm walking to a place where there are like statues of some Raffles person. Like I think that's he was a person on whom they named this place. So well, I'm there. Okay, just taking a little break and look. I'm near the Parliament of Singapore. This is the Parliament building. Pretty cool. And that one, I guess. That one. It's the street, it's raining. So, yeah, see, the name of it is Parliament. PI. I don't know what that is, but. And there's a Starbucks here. Just walking by to the Raffles statue thing. So I walked by the Supreme Court and everything. This is like the whole Parliament area they have. This is so pristine, right? Blue skies. And there's this Singapore's Writers Festival going on here. That's like the cafe part. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Just walking ahead. Oh wow, look at these little like pillows they've done. The colorful pillows to sleep. Oh, I want to sleep. This is so cool. So cool. Okay, bye. So I'm here at the Raffles statue. So apparently on Google it showed like a bunch of statues, but I think now they've just kept one. So he is So Raffles, so it's written here on this historic site. So Thomas Stamford Raffles first landed in Singapore on 28th Jan 1819, and with his genius and perception changed the destiny of Singapore from an obscure fishing village to a great seaport and a modern metropolis. So this is like his statue. It's like the surrounding. See this very pretty building. I feel like this is that museum, there's an Asian civilization museum somewhere very close here. And this is the Singapore River. I think we were walking on that side of the river, and then we walked all the way over to this side. So yeah. Okay, now okay, hello. Now my plan is, this is my new bag by the way. So now my plan is, I'm gonna go to that Asian Civilization Museum. The entry is paid, so I'm not gonna go inside and pay and see it, but I'm just gonna see it from outside. Yeah, I'm just gonna see it from the outside. And the Esplanade performance thing is so close. It's like 800 meters something, and I was like, wow. And there's also the Lucan's coffee thing here. So I'm gonna get that iced vanilla latte now. So yeah, look at this building. So now the plan is, yeah, I think I'm directly going to the Lucas. I'm not going to that stupid museum. So anyway, I'm not going inside. Oh, this is the Fullerton Hotel, by the way. Yeah, this is like a cool thing. This is that event thing that's going on, the writers event, and the Fullerton Hotel. Look, the Fullerton Hotel. Nice, right? The sky is pretty. It was raining. It was raining. It was raining so much. I took a nice nap at Starbucks. Like, I was walking and I was so sleepy. It was like that midday slump that I have at like 3 p.m. Now it's like what? It's 3:40. So I was super sleepy. So that's why I decided to sleep there itself. It was like really raining hard. But there was like they put like chairs and tables outside because the shop is very small. So I was just sitting there. I was taking a nice nap. I think I took a good 30 to 40 minute nap there. So, and now it stopped raining. The sun was out. Now the sun is like okay, but at least it's not raining, so I can walk. Oh wait, I think there are like statues all around. See, there's one more there. See that? But that's okay. I think they're like just different statue of the Raffles guy. Okay, so now I'm walking to Lucan's Coffee. I'm gonna get a coffee and then sit by the Esplanade performance thing. I think I'll go to the Esplanade first. Whatever comes first, we go. Okay, this is the National Gallery of Singapore. The National Gallery of Singapore, and there's like a really big gold structure they have done. Also, there's something going on here. I'm pretty sure it's like a sports event. A lot of noise. And there's the Marina Bay Sands, and that's the Singapore Flyer. I was thinking of doing that. It's like $30, but it's like, I mean, this is going to like fly over. So I think this looks fun. I think it's football or something. Wonder if you can watch or enter for free. I don't know. This is the Asia Cup football thing going on. They were playing really nicely just now. There was like a point, but I don't know. Okay, I'm at the War Memorial. This huge thing. This thing. Tugu something. It's like a War Memorial Park. This is the park. Lovely flowers. Oh, this is the Raffles City. This is the Swiss Hotel. Nice. I'm walking to get coffee now, by the way. Update. Bye. Yeah. Look at this view. We are at the rooftop at level 33. The restaurant. Wow. Look at that. This is the restaurant, by the way. And this is Pratibha. Say hi. I'll make a small video of her.
We used to live like 60 kilometers altogether.
Look at this view. Look at this. Yeah.
So some of the biggest offices are here. The LinkedIn office is here somewhere.
This is for my little, like, I'll make a video of it. Of
Okay,
my
wait,
all
are you
experience.
taking video?
Yeah, I'm just taking
okay.
a casual video. You keep walking.
Okay.
So, what were you saying?
No, I was just saying the LinkedIn offices are here.
Oh,
Lots of are here.
okay, this is Citibank. Citibank is a good bank. They only charge $3 fee, not $5. This is all of this also.
You saw the lights in Orchard.
Yeah. Hey, see, we go to the boardwalk now. We climb up there. This is so cool. This is the board. I didn't do this walk.
So there are places that sometimes Amod and I just sit here.
Yeah, exactly. This is like a place to do that.
We were there. See, Standard Chartered का ये logo है ना?
हाँ,
Just
correct.
below you see that balcony sort of thing.
Ah,
That's where.
lovely. Look at this. Hello, good morning. This is the PS Cafe that I'm at right now. So I've actually come to ECP, which is the East Coast Park, and it is beautiful. It's like 8 a.m. in the morning, and it's my last day to stay here in Singapore. And so I'm staying with Pratibha in the Bedok area. So then she said this is like a must see in this area, and look at it. Oh my god. Oh, look at that squirrel. It's so like it's so anyway. He went away, but look at this view. It's like the beautiful coast. This is the east coast of Singapore. And so they're like cycling higher places and everything. It's like the road. And look at this. Oh my god. Wow. Look at the water. What water is this? This looks like glass. And the coconut trees. And this is like the harbor. You know, there's so many ships. When I went to Sentosa, remember from the India battery station, we saw a lot of ships. It's a huge port. I want to go on that rock. Yeah, I think Amod was talking about. He told me that made this safety thing for high tide. Okay. So in case there's high tide, so people go there and sit, which is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go into the water, and because I'm wearing slippers, it gives me the liberty to do that. Oh my god. The sunrise is a tad bit overcast today. But it's totally fine. It's good ulta. So I don't have like the sun in my face the whole time. Look at this. So lovely. So pretty. Chalo, let's walk. Wow, the sand. We're walking in the sand after so long. Oh, look at these like dog paws. Okay, let me now stop walking and then take a nice video, which is like not shaking all the time because I'm walking. So these are the ships, all of the ships in the harbor. This is the beautiful. This is the east coast line of Singapore. Wow. See, so people climb up here. This is Mandarin Gardens, near where the bus stop is there. So the name of the bus stop is also Mandarin Gardens. That's like a landmark thing. And the other school, other bus stop is Victoria School. So I just wanted to show. This is the complex. That is the name of the complex. So I just walked from there. Now we're going ahead. Okay, so I'm at the Botanic Gardens. And it's the MRT. But I came by bus. The bus station is here. And look, Singapore Botanic. Yay, finally here. Bukit Timah Gate. So now, okay, I think it starts here. So I put it on the GPS. Look at this, pretty, right? Put it on the GPS. Let me go and then reach and then. So we look at this cutie. Hello. Is this the gate to it? No, that's the gate. Okay, so it says Heritage Trail, Singapore Botanic Garden. There's hen here. I think this is the entrance. You haven't mentioned an entrance. Okay, fine. Sorry, I'm just a bit sleepy. Okay, it's so the Singapore. This is the main entrance, by the way, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This is like the gate. And let's go. Wow, it's suddenly so quiet. This is like the board. Okay, there's so much to explore here. Okay, let's go. How big these leaves are. Like my palm is this much. I mean, do you get how big this leaf is? It's really big. Like, look at it. The bamboo collection. These are all the really long bamboos. And so all of these are bamboos. Oh wow, so these are like the younger ones. As you see, like the stems kind of smaller. And so this is all younger, and these are like the old ones. And there's bamboos there as well. A lot of them. Look at this footpath. It's like made of pebbles, but look at the detailing. Like there's this pretty sign. It's a foliage garden. So I'm gonna quickly go and check and look at these beautiful flowers here. And this expanse. How big is it? Okay, let's go to the foliage garden, and then the orchid garden, National Orchid Garden is this way, and we'll come back to it. Foliage garden. So it's like a lot of different kinds of leaves and stuff. Look at the variety of it. So quiet here. Look at this. This I find very unique, very different. Look at this beautiful little waterfall thing they have done here. Okay, so I have reached the National Orchid Garden, and it's a beautiful place. And there's even like a cute little ginger garden here. Where is this? There's like a ginger garden here, and this is like a quick place to eat and stuff. There's this cute clock thing, and this is like road. So there's stuff to eat here. It's called the pantry, and there's a ginger garden there. Oh, this cute little dog again. And we have the National Orchid Garden. Look at it. I'm gonna go in here now. Look at these beautiful orchids. And they're all very fresh, with water droplets. Okay, so I'm done with the orchid garden. Now I'm here. I exited. There's like a nice gift shop also, but I mean I don't want anything from there. So, and also I just realized this fun thing. This is like a ticketed garden. Like there's like a whole ticketing center. I don't know what it is, but apparently it's not free. And so there were no washrooms here, okay? Fun story. So I walked there because I wanted to go to the washroom, use it. And I walked there and somehow I came out of some weird exit and it led me into the garden. And so I just had a look of the entire garden for free when it was paid. Look, it's a little chicken family. Oh, look. Okay, I'm at City Hall. This is really pretty. Look at this really pretty hotel. Street. I'm waiting for the green man signal. It's after the city. And I'm going to Chimes, the cathedral. I'm eating like chocolate cake I bought from this beautiful place, Paris Baguette. And in front of the Chimes Cathedral. Yay! Alright. So I'm walking. This is like the steps inside the cathedral. It's very like ancient. It's great. I don't know, it says authorized persons only. I don't know, is this a shop? Oh, I think it's a wedding shop. It starts from here. There's all the Christmas decorations, by the way, chimes. And this is like the entire cathedral. I think that is mostly shops. It has a very grand entrance. Look. Oh my god, look, I'm in the cathedral. This is the Chimes Cathedral. Look. So there apparently weddings happen here and this thing was closed and I just like opened randomly and look at it. It's like Jesus and it's beautiful. It's like fully air conditioned. It's nice and cold. It's like pictures of Jesus. Look. There are so many candles and this is a piano. So this is where like the marriage ceremony happens. So there's like a wedding hall. I saw like there's like posters and stuff outside for bookings. And look at this. It's a huge church. So nice. I don't know if they have something planned. So pretty. Like, oh my god. And it's nice and cold. And look at the number of candles here. Look.